and you push this down so the post of the center post comes up into the hole, and that way you can push it down. It will usually bury down until it hits the hour wheel, and sometimes you can rock this a little bit to adjust your angle of your hand.
Okay, so you put the hands on there.
Can I look at those again, or did you take?
Yeah, but
And then you use that to push them
you
both
use this
down.
to push the one down.
Oh,
your
one
hour.
down at a time.
You use your hour
Okay.
hand, and the hole that's in this, on most watches, wrist watches, this will go down until it stops and hits the hour wheel, which pushes the hour hand on it about as far as it needs to go.
Okay, gotcha.
And then you can kind of rock it a little bit to adjust your angles and your points.
Mm-hmm.
The other one has a smaller hole, which usually will fit over the top of your second hand. And then that goes down, and then you can use that, and then you kind of look at it sideways, and then you can rock this to get your hand adjustments so they're both parallel, perpendicular to each other.
Okay.
And then you more or less just take your tweezer and you lay your tweezer on top of that second hand, and then you just kind of use the flat side of your second hand tweezer to push down on the second hand.
And that evens everything out? How do you get everything even?
You just kind of got to look at it as you're doing it,
Okay.
and you'll learn with a little bit of experience in doing it.
All right, how much are the tools?
This I got to check and see,
Okay.
but I would have to order this in. I don't know if this is $10 or $15,
Okay.
somewhere in that
And then
area. And this comes
what
in
she's
different
working on
sizes.
is like some average cheap China watch, you know.
This would be then the tool. The white side has a little hole in it, so it misses the post coming up that the second hand attaches on. The gray side is usually big enough to miss the post that the minute hand is going on to, but won't go past where the hour hand will drop down into.
All
So
right.
this is more or less the one tool that she needs.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.